Hey there! If you run a business where local customers are its lifeblood, stay tuned. We'll cover what local means online, how your business can be found by people that are physically near you, and why local marketing and mobile are a match made in heaven. Now let's hear from Satish Sundra and Deepthi Divya at RCS Toys about how this benefited their business.
The inventory is always changing, and something is in, something is out, and there are a lot of collectors who are our local regular customers, and they want something specific and they just want only that. So they will always be just punching in on the Facebook or through the website, have you got it now, or please let me know. So it saves them the trouble of always coming over or calling again and again. As soon as then their product comes, we'll just send them the message over the Facebook or mail back then saying that your product is in and we have blocked it for you, so please come and take it.
You may dream of growing your company into a global brand, or your goal might be to become a big fish in your neighboring pond. Either way, the web can help. So what do you mean by local exactly? We are talking about businesses with a shop, like a grocery shop or a hair salon. But we are also talking about a service area business that goes out to meet with customers, like a pest control service or a yoga trainer at home. These businesses usually sell products and services to people who live nearby and people who are visiting from other places. For example, a potential customer might live hundreds of miles away, but she's coming to your town on holiday and looking for a place to buy some grocery items while she's there. These types of local businesses used to rely on tools like the phone book to connect with customers looking for their products and services. If a person wanted to buy some daily necessities, he might look up stores nearby and then visit a few to see what was available. Nowadays, people hunt for stuff from their sofas via laptops and tablets, or browse the internet on mobiles to pass time standing in a queue. If they're searching for a product or service you offer and they're in your neighborhood, it's the perfect opportunity to get on their radar. So how does a local search work? Let's take an example. A man wants to find a hardware shop nearby. He does a search for hardware stores, including his city or neighborhood as one of the terms. Next, he'll get a list of local businesses, including the address, phone number, and the working hours. If he's on a mobile, he can click to call the shop, or he might even use the mapping functionality of the smartphone to help him navigate his way to the shop. A great perk if he's already out and about. So how can you build a local online presence for your business? First and foremost, be sure your location details are on your website. If you have a shop, be sure to include your address and maybe even an interactive map so a customer can get directions plus your telephone number and your working hours. And if you have a service area business, be sure your website explains what areas you serve and how people can get in touch with you. But there are some very specific things you can do to help local people become your local customers. And in the lessons that follow, we'll cover the importance of local search listings like Google My Business, Bing Local, and Yahoo Local that can help lead searchers to your local business, local advertising opportunities on review sites, social networks and search engines, some unique things you can do with local customers and mobile devices, and finally, some tips around search engine optimization to help you find your local audience. Local businesses need to be seen by searchers in the neighborhood, on any device. Someone looking to buy in a specific location is usually ready to pull out his wallet, and you want to be his go-to shop. If you stick with us, you'll learn how you can build and promote an online presence that ensures that's just what happens.